We live in a wonderful world that is full of beauty, charm, and adventure. There is no end to the adventures that we can have if only we seek them with our eyes open. Welcome back to the channel, friends. Today I am on an enthralling journey to the southernmost beaches of Gujarat. So today I will visit Dahanu, Bodhi, Gholwad and Nargol beaches. These beaches are situated between Dahanu in Maharashtra to Nargol in Gujarat. And the adventure is that this distance of 38 kilometers from Dahanu to Nargol is connected by a beautiful coastal road. It is 2 p.m. in the afternoon. We were hungry and we found this garden restaurant on the way to Nargol, between Bodhi and Gholwad. This restaurant has wide variety of food choices, right from chaats, pav bhajis, Chinese, cold drinks, tea, coffee and other fast food. I would recommend this place. I think this place is best to take a break because it has an adjoining garden where you will find that many cots are laid down to rest for a while, and also a play area for children, etc. So guys, don't forget to take a break here and rejuvenate yourself. Wow, it is really amazing to pass through these narrow lanes of the towns of Bodhi and Gholwad. I have passed through these roads many times, but it is always a pleasure to pass through these narrow lanes which further connects to this coastal road that I told you about. This coastal road is 2-lane, but it is in excellent condition and maintained. So you can drive without any hurdle and enjoy the panoramic view of the beaches on the way. And finally, after driving 138 kilometers from my place in Thane, near Mumbai, I have reached Nargol beach in Umargaon. Nargol beach boasts of extraordinary beauty and picturesque scene, and is the perfect place for nature lovers to come and relax in the lap of nature, and for photographers to click some fantastic shots. Furthermore, the beach beckons tourists because of its cleanliness and fresh air. Nargol beach has huge stretch of about 1 kilometer or more. The best part is that the beach is less crowded and has tranquil ambience. I just love to sit at the seashore and stare at the ocean. This is like a meditation for me, which strengthens our belief in God, and this is how we can connect to the nature. I believe that even an atheist may turn into a believer if he sits here for some time. So, after spending quality time at these beaches, I am heading back to my nest. This trip has rejuvenated me, cut off the stress level, and I'm again ready to face challenges ahead in life. So, guys, do travel a lot, be happy, and spread happiness. And do stay tuned to our channel for more interesting vlogs. Goodbye, see you soon.